Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnette and you are tuned in to Cooking with Winn. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make Gari Yorkor. For those of you that are from Liberia, y'all already know what this is. All you need is goya beans, dry bunny, and onions and red palm oil and Gari. That's all you need for your Gari Yorkor. So all you have to do, first thing first, you want to make sure you cook the beans all the way through this, like soft. And in the process of boiling the beans, you want to boil the beans with the bunny, the dry bunny. So you just take a couple of dry bunny and mix it with the beans and cook it. Once it's done, these two are done, you just measure the gari and put it in a bowl. Add the oil and the pepper along with the onions. If you have fresh pepper, you want to boil the pepper with the beans also. But if you have like a pepper sauce, you can just add it directly to the Gari Yorkor once everything is ready. So with that being said, let's get started. So now I have my beans in the pot with the bunny and the pepper. I'll go ahead and add 1 Maggi cube to the pot. Add some salt. Now add some goya adobo all-purpose seasoning to it too. Just a little bit. So I have 2 cups of water here, but I'm gonna use 3 cups because you need to boil the beans all the way through. And I will add an extra cup. So altogether I have 3 cups of water. I'll turn my stove on and just let it cook for like 20 to 25 minutes. So as you can see, this is cooking, and you just want it to keep on cooking till the beans get soft. And if you need to add more water, just go ahead and add more water, but just make sure it's seasoned too. So we're gonna give it more time to let it boil all the way through. So as you guys can see, the first 3 cups of water that I added to the beans is already dry up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add more water because you want to make sure the beans is cooked all the way through. That's the main thing. If the beans is not cooked, you're not gonna enjoy your yogurt. So this is the beans. It's been cooking for like an hour now. As you can see, just by looking at it, you can tell that it's ready. So once the beans split like this, that means it's ready. Or you can also use your hand and just grab one of it and just like go like this. And if it come out like this, that means it's ready. So I'll go ahead and put it in the bowl and show you guys how it's gonna look like. And this is like second to the last step. Once you put it in the bowl, everything on it, then your yogurt is ready to eat. You know. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you guys how to put it in the bowl and how it's gonna look. So this is the gari. I'll go ahead and measure 1 cup. Put it in this bowl. Go over to the stove and just add my gari to it. So you just take the gari, take the beans and add it to the gari. You also want to get the juice. This is where your seasoning is. You add the water to the gari too. Get some bunny in there with some pepper. Get my oil. Add my red oil to this. With your onions. I'm just gonna go ahead and stir my gari with everything else. Smells so good. Can't wait to eat this. add a little more juice to it. If you let this sit for like 5 or 6 minutes, it's gonna increase in size. Like if you from Liberia and you grew up in Liberia, you know this is the meal. Like this is like the breakfast, the lunch, and basically your dinner. Because once you eat this in the morning, it's very heavy. You're gonna go all day drinking water and not be hungry. So yeah, guys, this is the final product. You just want to go ahead and add everything, and it's gonna look like this, and just enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. I'll show you guys how to eat this. Guys, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and try it at home. Let me know what you think. See you guys later. Hope you guys are safe out there. Have a good weekend. Bye.